Today we have a fairly common Bradley eye wash station. As you can see, we got a call because the temperature gauge is in the red, and nobody wants burning hot water in their eyes, especially when they are trying to rinse them out. First, we will run the eye wash station, see if that has any effect on the temperature. The temperature did cool momentarily, however, it went back into the red right after running it, so we are going to adjust this mixing valve to see if we can allow more cool water in and less hot water. Adjusting the mixing valve usually works, however this time it did not, so we will move on to the next step, which is adjusting the water inflow. We're going to close the hot water supply just a little bit and see if we can adjust the temperature that way. For this, you'll just need a flathead screwdriver. You'll be able to adjust it, run the water also so it goes through the lines, and then check your temperature readings. And of course, our second step does not work. So what do? We're going to find the hot water that is supplying this entire unit. And once we found this, it is apparent that this is the issue. We like to keep these at 110 to the 120 degree range, and as you can see here, this unit is way too hot. What we're going to do next is tighten or loosen this spring, and be warned just the slightest turn will drastically affect the temperature. After adjusting these metrics for some hours, it appears the issue is internal, so we will have to take this apart and I will keep you updated.